Hello everyone, myself Sukrishna. In this video, I am going to explain remove duplicate rows activity in the UiPath Studio. So let's get started. Remove duplicate rows activity is used to remove the duplicate rows in the data table. I have created one data table containing name and salary, and I have mentioned two duplicate rows. So let's see how we can remove these duplicate rows using the remove duplicate rows activity. So in the remove duplicate rows, so we need to provide the input data table for which you wanted to remove the duplicate rows. In the output section, if you want, you can add the same data table, or else you can create a separate data table. So I am creating the new data table dt output. So let me take one log message. So let's run the process and verify the output. So this is the input data table. So before executing the remove duplicate rows, so we have 3 rows and 2 are duplicates. This is the output data table after executing the remove duplicate rows. So here we have only 2 rows and those are unique, right? If you see the input data table, the duplicate rows names are in the same format. If I change the one name format to uppercase, right, the duplicate rows activity will be treated as a unique rows, right, because the names are in the different format. One is the regular format and another one is uppercase. So let's execute this process and see how we will get the output. So this is the input data table, and after executing the remove duplicate rows, so we have the same data available in the output data table as well, because in the first row hurry in a regular format, in the second row the hurry is in uppercase, right? To resolve this issue, first we need to convert the names in one format, either in a lowercase or uppercase. Then we can apply the remove duplicate rows. So let's see how we can convert these names in one format, right? Let's click on OK. So let me take for each row in data table. I'm passing the input data table. So I'm going to take one assign activity to convert the names in uppercase. Current row of name. So this expression will convert all the names into the uppercases. Then let's run the process and verify the output. So this is the input data. So all the names are converted into the uppercase. Then after executing the remove duplicate rows, the output data table containing only 2 rows, those are unique, right? This way we can work with remove duplicate rows in the data table. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.